Hello friend, myself Simab Hussain, my channel name is BV Engineer. Today I am going to tell you about the iPhone hacks and about that is called accessibility, how you can make your phone easy to handle. Do you know how to restart the phone? Today in this video I am going to tell you about how we can restart the phone also, because every time when you click the power button plus volume button, there is options coming for shutdown, not the restart. I'm telling you how we can make the restart. And guys, in this end of the video, I'm putting some tricky question for you, and you will give the answer in the comment box. And watch my video till the end, because in this video I'm putting the videos you will not find in other channel. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. Guys, I'm telling you about the accessibility. So I will go to the setting. As you can see that I am in the setting now. You have to go to the accessibility, click here. After that you will go to click on touch. As you can see that on the top, assistive touch is off. I will click here, I will make it on. As you can see that one circle is on. If you want to make highlight more, like as you can see very dark color is showing, very dark. If you want to increase, I will make it here. You can see it's depend upon it's, you can adjust as per your requirement. Right now I'm making the very low, because if you will click here, automatically it will become highlighted. So in this case I'm putting it for my recommendation. You will go to the minimum, make it back. One more thing I'm going to tell you guys. If you want, suppose you are using your phone handy, you want to reach, you can move the hand up and down. You need to adjustment, because sometimes you have the bigger size phone. You want to use in an easy method, because now I can, if I want to click gallery, okay, so I can make you the screen very small size. So what you have to do, you have to click on customize. You have to go here and you have to make it reachability. If you click here and go down, if you click here like this, you can see your screen become is half, and you can easily, whatever the application you want to check, you want to open, you can easily use. Just click downside and you can see it's become half. Now I'm making up. After that I will again go to the setting, because in this accessibility I have so many things to tell you, and this thing will make you very mobile, very easy. Now go inside. If you want to add, as you can see that's already content icons is added. If you want to make something different or you want to switch, okay, we will make from here. Go to the customize means as per your requirement, whatever you want you will make like that. I will make it customize, okay, then make it, I will right now whatever the added is already here icons. Right now I will make it minimize. I can make it 2. You can see if you want to add or remove, you can make from here. Right now I'm clicking here, plus sign. I'm 6 icon I'm adding. I'm click here. I will go to the lock screen, okay, I will set here. Then I will make it restart. Click here. I will click again. I want my screenshot is done. Lock the phone. Lock screen is already here, okay. App switcher. I want to make app the switch the app. Again last one. I want to make it home, and if I will click here again, you can see whatever I added, it's already come here. You want to switch the app, just click here, you can switching the app. Again, if I want to go home, you can go home. If I want to make device, you can see lock screen, volume up, volume down, and if you will click more, you can see a screenshot here, restart, app switcher, reachability. All this detail are in the coming shortcuts. Guys, this is a very good feature in the iPhone. And now I go inside more depth. Touch, accessibility. If you want to create new gesture, I will click here. Suppose I am creating my gesture here. okay, and make it save, and I'm putting my name Simab, okay. And as you can see that already gesture is coming here, okay. Or if you want to add your gesture inside also, you can also add here, make it more, and I'm putting my gesture. You can see the customized gesture is coming here. I can make it done, and as you can see that my one gesture which I make it customized is coming in the icons below. I will make it touch, and in the pointing device, as you can see the downside, the pointing device, suppose you want to connect, they're asking about a device, suppose you connected with any other phone or any other device, you can control all your device by this function, because this pointing device, all this area is control. If you have some connecting device with you, you can use this one. So guys, this is the hidden feature of the iPhone, and personally I like this feature very good, because this feature you will not find in any other YouTube channel. Guys, as I told you how we can restart the phone, if I will click here restart, if you click here the phone will restart. But generally before starting this video, suppose you want to make it shut down, what you will do, you will click here. As you can see that the slide to power off is coming. But if you want to restart the phone, you can make the restart the phone also. I will click here. Plus also guys, install the new update, because as you can see that in my setting, if you have the update, I will check my before my update is version is 13.5.1. the new update, if I will click here, 13.6 is coming. So I will install also. Guys, you will also install this new update in the iPhone. And now I'm going to tell you about how we can restart the phone. If you will click here, make it restart, and as you can see my phone is restarting now. Guys, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. If you have some issues in your iPhone, just comment on the comment box and I will be there for you to solve your issues. Until as you can see my phone is restarting. And guys, comment my video. Thank you so much. You can see my phone is restarting. See the logo of Apple is. As you can see my phone is restarted. I will open my phone and my phone is on. Thank you guys so much. Guys, there is good news that already a new iPhone update is coming. As you can, I will show you in my phone. If I will click here update, you can see the iOS 13.6 is coming in my phone. You can see on the top is 13.6 is coming. So guys, update your phone, because this update have some digital car function plus audio news is coming in this added. Plus they also remove the bugs. And guys, at the end of the video, as I told you, I am putting some videos for your tricky question. So for today tricky question is that, because everyone using the etc, you know, etc. Can you tell me what is the full form of etc? Guys, comment in the comment box. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, share my videos. For up to now, you will enjoy my video.